So I prepared the wood. I painted the wood, and right now I have preparation for the table, for the massive table, because you can see it will be a massive table. I have this stainless steel plate, and I will connect this table with this. So one plate will be here, and second one plate will be here, and I will make the hole here, and it will be keep together the same here. So we have the tools, as you can see, these tools, and also drilling extra line drill bit for metal and cobalt, so we can use it right now. Then I prepare this metal part, and this will connect the legs of this table. It will be like this. Yeah, so this will be here, and on the top will be table, and we will use four legs. So preparation for the metal parts for the legs. So I used this for holes, 1, 2, and right now I have here the drill bit, and I have to use still oil for cooling, and then I'm able to make so first for screw is inside, and now I will use this and like this. Now it will be keep perfectly. So I have here all no. So first leg, and here is the second leg. Okay, operation, and now screw. So this is the result. We need to paint this. But result is very nice. I can see it drink like bar.